Hello guys, I'm back with an OG style, OG style, I don't know, tutorial, the voiceover ones that's winter, the voiceover type. Anyhow, today I have this look that I have been sitting on for a long time and I love it and I really wanted to do it. Guys, I am wearing 2 extra hair pieces, okay? This is one. And then there's the other one. Just so I can get this hairstyle. So this is kind of like a Day of the Dead hairstyle, it seems like, because it has like the little buns right here. And then it just really reminded me of the Day of the Dead with the flowers and all that. See, I'm already messing it up. Okay, so let me show you a picture of this look. I think it's awesome, and yeah, I've been wanting to do it for a long time. So I decided to go ahead and just do it, you know? So here we go. That's the picture, and I'm gonna... Winter. What? What? Oh, wish you guys could see him. He's like, what are you doing, silly? What? He's like, play with me. Pay attention to me. What was I saying? Totally forgot. Thanks, Winter. Yeah, I've been wanting to do it for a long time. I don't remember what I was saying. Anyhow, that's the look for today, and if you want to see how to go ahead and do this on yourself and yeah, recreate it and have fun, keep watching.
For this tutorial I used the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette and also the Saharan from Juvia's Place, but all you need is a matte black shadow. I also used the Deuce palette from Juvia's Place, but all you need is a metallic-y silver color. I also used Tarte blush and this contour and highlight kit from L'Oreal. My usual concealer that is at its end, and this Man-Eater mascara from Tarte. Also Infallible liner from L'Oreal. And this, however you pronounce it, it's a felt tip eyeliner. I'm not even gonna try. And lip liner from Wet n Wild in Willow. Here are the brushes I used, listed out. We're going to begin with a concealer brush and the concealer. And just apply it all over the eyelid. Underneath as well. And then pat it down with your finger. Okay, now we're taking a blending brush into the Pastel Goth palette and we're going into this matte gray shade. We're going to start at the inner corner and work the eyeshadow out. Keep applying more and keep blending it. Cover the entire eyelid. We're also going to bring it underneath. Now taking an angled shader brush, we're going to go into this silvery color. This is called Mont Blanc, and this will be our brow bone highlight. I don't know if Amy was wearing brow bone highlight, but I wanted to add it. Now we're going to start with the pencil, or yeah, mechanical pencil type eyeliner. We're going to start underneath. Now in order to really get the same look of her eyeliner, you want to tilt your head down a little bit and start at the bottom like I did and bring that wing up to match the way it looks in the picture. Sometimes when you can't get a good detail, you just imitate the pose and then try to create the shape. If that makes any sense whatsoever, I don't know. Okay, now with a flat eyeshadow brush, we're just gonna blend this liner a little bit, just to smoke it out and soften that line. Back to the palette with the same brush, we're gonna bring some more underneath and blend it with the black. Some more gray. Taking the same pencil eyeliner, we're going to fill in the waterline. Now with the felt tip eyeliner, we're going to retrace the eyeliner and then we're just going to darken it and sharpen the wing. Lining underneath as well. Next up is mascara, and we're applying it on the top lashes and of course on the bottom lashes as well. Now we're going to take a small contour brush and we're going to carve in those cheekbones. And that's all you need. Next up is a blush, and we're applying it right on the cheekbones and bringing it up. I'm not sure if she was wearing it, but I liked how it looked, so decided to go with it. One more thing I forgot. We're going to take the black from this palette and the flat shading brush, and we're going to darken the eyebrows. So you just want to apply it lightly to really make them look black, or sort of black. Okay, now it's lip liner time. No lipstick, but you can use a lipstick if you want. I just filled it in, kept it semi-natural. The color. Just a natural lip tone color. Lip tone color, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, now the look is done.
Okay guys, that is it for the tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed that, and it was actually pretty simple if you think about it. Aside from like just recreating, the hair was the most complicated thing. Like I said, I have two separate hair pieces, and yeah, and like clips and bobby pins galore. So yeah, it's like a Day of the Dead look. That's what I was saying, right? That's what it reminded me of. Dia de los Muertos. Oh. Anyhow, this is my result of the look, and I'm pretty sure it was gray on the picture. It looks kind of greenish gray. I don't know. Oh yeah, I was saying that I'm gonna try to recreate the table picture. That's what I was saying. Till I was interrupted. Because I have a similar look to my vanity, like black stuff and like very gothic looking, so it might work out. I'm gonna try to recreate that picture, you know, in my own way and see how it turns out. So wish me luck on that. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more Amy Lee makeup tutorials, so you could learn how to do your makeup like Amy has had her makeup done for like many years, or like different looks, different photo shoots, videos, etc. And as always, guys, I forgot how to do it. What is wrong with me? And as always, guys, rock on. Okay, real talk. So No, I've gotten some haters who think that I am an Amy Lee wannabe just because I recreate her makeup looks and do the whole look, like try to recreate it. But that's like, right, I know. I know, it's ridiculous, right? Like they don't understand that I'm a makeup artist and I love Amy Lee and her looks are awesome. Why wouldn't you want to recreate them if you can? Like, just for fun. I don't go around in my daily life, you know, looking like this. It's just for you guys. The ones that enjoy these tutorials and who want to know how to do the makeup, because why wouldn't you? If you love makeup, why wouldn't you want to have it, like, put it on yourself, you know? Everyone copies everyone. Like, I've never seen a person who has not been inspired or emulates someone. There's someone or something that someone emulates because it just keeps going and going. Everyone gets inspired by someone else. There's no truly, like, thing that has never been done. And he's, like, just getting into stuff now. Winter, what are you doing? Yeah, so I don't want to go into it, but it's annoying because I am not a wannabe. I don't have any need to want to be someone who I'm not, you know? I've always been very much about being an individual and being yourself, being unique, because that's how I've felt all my life, that I've never really fit in. And I'm okay with that. Like, it's not bad. Like, it's not a wrong thing. I enjoy being that way, actually. I like that I'm not common. And I have my own, you know, likes and things that I like to do and quirks and, you know, tastes and stuff like that. Anyhow, yeah, that's why it's annoying, because I am very strong about my identity. Like, that's something very, very strong in me that I hold very dear, knowing who I am, you know. And when someone questions that, especially people who have no idea, they just saw a picture and they're like, oh my god, Amy Lee wannabe. Oh my goodness, just because she does makeup, she thinks she's Amy. I'm like, that's stupid. Really. That is like so stupid, I just can't even go there. But really, I hope I can inspire you guys to play with makeup. And a lot of girls love Amy Lee and they want to know how to do it. So that's what I'm here for, to help you out. I look at these pictures and with my knowledge of makeup, I try to recreate it for you. And voila. And I try to do the best by making it actually worthwhile. You know, like doing the whole thing. Because that's, to me, that's excellent. I try to do things with excellence. So even the covers, like I try my best to sing them really well, and it's my voice, so that's how I sound. And yeah, like you cannot be something you're not and be someone you're not. Like it just won't happen, you know. Like if your face doesn't look a certain way, you can't do it unless you do like some special effects type of makeup or you have plastic surgery, which no, I don't do special effects really. I have done like Halloween stuff, but if you think about it, I don't really use anything but eyeshadow and glitter, mascara, the typical stuff. Anyhow, guys, that's my rant. I want to do an about me video just to update you guys, all the new people, you know. I did one years ago, but it's probably lost somewhere. I don't know. And I can't keep up with all the videos I have either. So I want to do an about me just for fun, you know, and so you guys could know a little bit more about who I am. Because I'm a sharing person. And even though I'm very private, there's things that I do like to share to make that connection, you know, with people. So, yeah. I hope that I inspire you guys, and I do want to thank those of you who always are very supportive, understand what my channel is about, and don't get confused, and who enjoy who I am, who enjoy who I am and enjoy my work, and are always so kind. Thank you guys. I will never stop saying thank you because I really appreciate it. Yeah. I do put my heart into this, so I hope it shows. Okay, I'll see you guys later.